चंदा है तू मेरा सूरज है तू, चंदा है तू मेरा सूरज है तू, ओ मेरी आंखों का तारा है तू। प्रथम, तुम इसी तारे की तरह खूब ऊंचाइयों में टिमटिमाते रहो। विश यू अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे। हैव अ ब्लास्ट। मे ऑल योर ड्रीम्स कम ट्रू।
Pratham, a very, very happy birthday to you from my side. May you achieve all the heights, all the success in life, and may you always be happy. And may whatever you do in life make you a lot of happiness, bring a lot of happiness to your life. And you know, uh, perhaps this is one of the uh, last birthdays that you are celebrating with us before you go to college, and I'm sure you will do very well there, and you will create a name and fame for yourself, and you'll achieve great heights there. So I will definitely miss you a lot. There'll be a huge vacuum. I remember, I am sure you will also remember that when you were a kid, sometime in class 7 8, I had told your mom to send you to a boarding school because you were a very difficult child for us. But since then, lot has changed today that you are going away, and I am one of the first people who asked you to go out of Calcutta. But I don't know what will happen after you gone. I don't know how I'll feel, how I'll be able to live without you. So I really love you a lot, and I'll miss you, and enjoy your birthday to the fullest.
Love you,
Love
Pratham.
you,
We'll
dear.
miss you. Enjoy to the fullest.
Happy birthday to you, Pratham. Happy birthday. सदा खुश रहो, उन्नति करो खूब।
प्रथम को दादा दादी की तरफ से जन्मदिन की हार्दिक बधाई। और हम चाहते हैं कि जाकर के भगवान का साथ रखो तो जीवन में सफलता मिलती रहेगी।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू प्रथम।
19th birthday Pratham. Be successful.
Happy birthday, Pratham. Have a great day. This is going to be one of your last birthdays at home. So enjoy yourself to the fullest.
Happy birthday Pratham बाबू। कैसे हो बेटा? We are missing you a lot. This is your 90th birthday and we will really miss and we are really proud of you. आप अपने नाम की तरह हर चीज में प्रथम आओ, प्रथम रहो। ये हमारा सबका आशीर्वाद आपको है।
हमेशा है बेटा आपके साथ।
अब बहुत अच्छे बच्चे हो और इसी तरह अपने मम्मी पापा का नाम रोशन करो, दादा दादी का नाम रोशन करो और सबको आप पर बहुत गर्व है। We all are proud of you, beta.
Once again,
Happy birthday.
Hello, Pratham. Many happy returns of the day. God bless you, beta.
Enjoy your day, beta.
Hi Pratham, happy birthday. May God bless you and all the very best for your future. ठीक से रहो, ध्यान रखो. All the best.
Happy birthday, Pratham. May God bless you. Take care.
Many happy returns of the day, Pratham. God bless you. Lots of love and blessings. Wish you all the best for your future.
Hey, happy birthday, Pratham.
May you have the best birthday ever. You have always been so inspiring and encouraged us to learn new things.
Hope you have a great day, and I am happy to be your cousin. And I hope कि आपका अच्छे कॉलेज हो और आप दिल्ली कब आ रहे हो वो बताओ।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pratham Bhaiya. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Pratham Bhaiya. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, legend. I think wherever I go in my life, whoever I become, whatever I do, you'll always be my closest friend. And that's because I don't think anybody really understands me like you do. I don't think anybody would be able to point out the things that I do like you do. And I don't think anybody would be a brother to me like you are. And I really hope the legend of Pratham Gupta keeps continuing like it does right now, and I'm very happy for whatever you're achieving in life. And I'm so happy whenever you come up with the small things or big things that you're achieving, and I'm like so proud of you for everything you're doing. And I hope that you keep doing whatever you're doing and like reach really good heights, so much so that all the time I'm still honored to be your friend, but I'll be even more honored to say that I know you and I'm friends with you. And I really think you're one of the purest people I know, and keep being that pure and genuine person. And I really love you, and I hope to see you soon. Happy birthday.
Hi Pratham, happy birthday. So you have been a huge part of my life for the better part of the past 1.5 years, and that may be a comparatively small time for someone to know a person, but one thing that you and I both know is that I'm a very different person now than I was when we first became friends, and a huge reason for that is our friendship and just having you around, because honestly there are just so many things about you which inspire me and that I admire so much, just like how caring you are to everyone, may it be your family or your friends, and how it's always, you take it on you to ensure everyone is happy and okay, and how understanding and thoughtful you are, and how calm you remain in every situation, your intelligence and your knowledge in almost every field in the world, and keep making everyone around you laugh with all your crazy jokes, and keep annoying me with your gyan and witty replies. And but one thing that I do know is that no matter what, I will always have a best friend in you. Happy birthday, have a blast, and have an amazing year ahead with college and all these exciting experiences. Best of luck for everything. Stay happy. Happy birthday. Bye. Always remain this amazing person that you are, but keep growing because change is important.
Hello sir, happy birthday. Much like you, I also get very awkward in videos like this, which is why I'll barely be saying anything. But you are a legend at school. You have, in the short span of time that you have been in university, you've become a legend at university, and hopefully you will become a legend lawyer once you graduate. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Happy birthday Pratham. Thanks for being the coolest and the most adorable junior there was. Thanks for making 2020 more tolerable. Thanks for always being my house party partner, and thanks for always listening to my drama. Gandu Cheria and Deepu send love.
Hi, happy birthday. First of all, I apologize sincerely from the bottom of my heart that I did not attend your birthday party 10 years ago. I promise to try my level best to attend all your future birthday parties, assuming that I'm invited to most of them. And thank you for being among the very few good things that I'm taking forward in my life from LSA. And yeah, happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Pratham Bhaiya. Have a great day. Thank you for always motivating me to give my best in all situations. Be it in MUN or in any other field, you have always taught me a lot. Thank you for that. Have a great day and enjoy your day. Hope to meet you very soon, anytime, and we'll meet and catch up and learn a lot of things from you. Thank you, Bhaiya, for everything. Happy birthday.
So Pratham, this is the third take for your birthday video. Happy birthday, Gupta ji. Now, if I have to remember something about you, it's definitely like, this incident when I kicked your chair. I think we were in class 10 and you fell down on the ground. And Monadeepa Lahiri was teaching us. She just looked back. You were lying there on the ground. And she turned back and continued teaching. But after getting up, you didn't hit me. I mean, that proves how good of a friend you are and how sporty of a person you were. Like, you've always been a really good friend. You've always taken our jokes, very good sense, and I think you were always among the people we choked the most upon. So, I mean, become a good lawyer and defend me in any cases, and happy birthday again.
Happy birthday! Finally, तेरा भी birthday आ गया भाई. I was really looking forward to your and Rima's birthday, but कोई नहीं, साथ में तो हम हैं नहीं, but प्लीज़ हमारे घर पे कुछ पेस्ट्रीज वगैरह भिजवा देना, ठीक है? पार्टी तो चाहिए ही हमें. ऑल्सो इन्जॉय, खूब दारू पी, जो कि तू करेगा नहीं मुझे लगता है, बट खूब मज़े कर. सेंड अस लॉट ऑफ पिक्चर्स एंड वीडियोज़, एंड नेक्स्ट ईयर प्रॉब्ली विल ऑल बी टुगेदर एंड वील सेलिब्रेट योर बर्थडे टुगेदर एंड हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फन. सारी कसर निकाल देंगे, एंड उससे पहले भी दिसंबर में निकालेंगे, खूब मज़े करेंगे. ऑल्सो वी लव यू. यू ऑलवेज कीप सेइंग कि जब तूने फर्स्ट टाइम मेरे से बात किया था, लाइक मैं बोले जा रही थी, इट वॉज बिकॉज ऑफ यू गाइज मेड मी सो कम्फर्टेबल, एंड यू तो स्पेशली, आई मीन मैं क्या बोलूँ, यू आर सो फ्रेंडली विथ एवरी वन, एंड तेरे जोक्स तो भाई एंड तेरे स्टिकर्स, आई एम सो ग्लैड आई मेट यू, एंड स्टे द सेम, हमेशा ऐसे ही रही हो. एंड हमारे ग्रुप का IT गए, हमेशा ही रहना है तुझे तो पता ही है. ऑल्सो प्लीज़ थोड़े अच्छे से शादी करना ताकि हम सब थोड़े मज़े कर पाएँ. यू डू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से, राइट? एंड व्हाट एल्स, सी मैं बहुत ऑकवर्ड हूँ, तू समझ रहा होगा, तूने भी किया है ये. बट enjoy a lot. We all love you and meet us soon. Bye.
Hi Pratham, wishing you a very very happy birthday. May God fulfill all your wishes and may you have the best day ever. Let me tell you one thing, that video calls without you would genuinely be incomplete. The way you pester everyone, pull everyone's leg, and the way you make everyone laugh is like crazy. It would be so incomplete without you. Just be the person that you are, so happy-go-lucky, and or try to do your assignments on time, and please irritate me a little less. So this is what I wanted to say, and a very very happy birthday to you. May you have an amazing year ahead. See you soon.
Hi legend, happy birthday. First of all, I obviously have to thank you for all the gyans and the lectures that you've given me. I hope they've made me a better person. But one thing is for sure, that I admire you a lot in terms of what you do, and also how you are as a person, the dedication you have towards things, and how passionate you are towards anything you do, even when it comes to being on a diet or even irritating us with your diet plans. But I never really thought I'd be so close to you. If I look back at 2019 or something, with the pandemic just drew us so closer, and I'm so glad to have you as a friend, and you're really really important to me. And yeah, rock law school and don't forget me.
This camera isn't working properly. Happy birthday Pratham. Now that you are in Jindal and have ruined any dreams I had of you coming to Simbi, I'm very sad. But enjoy your birthday. I am sure you'll do great in Jindal. You are already showing far more interest than most people I know in first year. So best of luck, have fun. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Pratham. Have a great birthday. I can't tell you how great it is to have you in class and have someone whom I can have intellectually stimulating conversations regarding tech, regarding cars, regarding anything for that matter. And I hope to see you super soon. Hopefully at campus, or if not that, then hopefully in Kolkata in December if my parents allow. But regardless, have a great birthday, have a great 18th, and please don't crash any more cars that cause an airbag to come out. Happy birthday.
Happy 19th birthday Pratham. And a funny incident that I recall involving you is that, like, how you started the trend in school of covering someone with blazer and then hitting him like that, and then everybody started doing that. And also all the best for your journey in the field of law, and also Benzema is not winning the Ballon d'Or.
Given your foray back into the gym, I thought might as well shoot from the Mecca of training, or maybe I was just too lazy and procrastinate too much. Take your pick. Anyway, happy birthday man, you are an incredible person. It's always fun to hang out with you, and you're really, really smart, and I'm sure there are various good things coming your way. So all the best for everything. You're gonna have another amazing year. Get it, bro. Let me know whenever you want to pull the trigger. I'm here for you. Happy birthday, bro.
Happy birthday Pratham. I hope you have the best day ever. I'm really looking forward to college, and I hope तुम हमें कुछ आती abandon ना करिए, because I'm really banking on you for all the drama and gossip in college. Have a great day. Bye.
हैप्पी वाला बर्थडे प्रथम. हैप्पी 19th बर्थडे. हैव एन अमेजिंग डे. एंड आई एम सॉरी, मैं से आत्मा जैसी लग रही हूँ. मैं जिस नींद से उठ के मैंने वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करा है. आई एम सो सॉरी. एंड स्तुति, if you're watching this, you are amazing. एंड प्रथम, be kinder to her, be sweet to her. उसने कितनी मेहनत की, उसने तेरे सारे दोस्तों से वीडियो लिया, उसने कंपाइल करा है. And share your hoodies with her. She's amazing. And just have an amazing year ahead. And can't wait to meet you. You are always so much fun to talk to. इतनी मजा आता है, मेरे को इतना मजा आता है तेरे को तंग करने में. And अपने accent से. And just amazing. Just have an amazing year ahead. Bye bye.
Hi Pratham, happy birthday. Thank you for being an amazing CR and more importantly an amazing friend. I know it's just the first year, but it feels like law school is going to be impossible without you. Happy birthday.
Hey Pratham, happy birthday. So I hope you have an amazing day. Can't wait to meet you on campus. Thank you for helping me out with assignments and you're amazing. Stay the same and cheers man, have a lovely day.
Happy birthday Pratham. I look up to you in many ways. Thank you for always being around. I am very thankful to have you as my mentor. And I'm very thankful for the times you've been there and all the things that you've taught me in the years that we've known each other. Being in LSM1 with you was one of my most favorite M1 experiences. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day.
Hi Pratham, happy birthday. I know we've not talked itna, but I can't really wait to meet you at campus and spend the next 5 years. Also, you've got to teach me some tech. I really don't know shit and I don't know how